Hey guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing with the famous CurlBox. I said that I would not do this every month. I would do it like randomly, and I'm kind of in the mood to do one. The last video I did with an unboxing was in April. That video will be linked down below in the description box. So if you guys would like to see, first off, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to see what's in CurlBox, because I have not opened it yet, then keep on watching. So that's what we got here. If you guys don't know what CurlBox is, it is a $20 subscription for 5 full sizes of hair products, and you pay $5 in shipping. So every month for $25 you will get 5 full size products. I personally like it because I do like surprises. So even when it's around the time where I know the CurlBox is about to come, I try not to watch their story so I don't see what I'm getting. They do have open enrollment. I will have the link down below. They do it on certain Saturdays at 9 a.m. and when I say you gotta be on it, you gotta be on it. Like, it literally took me years. Not like, well, I will forget sometimes. But yeah, just a little background. They do give you information on what's in it and things of that nature. But like I said, this is the June 2021. So yo, I love this. I love surprises. First, we have the ORS Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo, sulfate free. It detoxifies, soothes, and moisturizes, balances. And actually, I've never had a detoxing shampoo. And then we have the Scalp Rescuing Detoxing Mask. Y'all, I love mask. It also detoxifies, soothes, and moisturizes. Balance. It has rose clay, active aloe, and PE15 biocomplex. I just want to smell this. It's thick. Be looking for a mask Monday on this. Okay, y'all, I've been getting masks, like, yeah. Next, we have the Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. It's an advanced leave-in treatment. I don't even know how that works. This is what it looks like. This is interesting. So this one comes with directions. Also, it can be used as a pre-shampoo. Y'all, my pre-poo video will be linked down below in the description box, but I definitely think I'm a pre-poo girl. Like, for real, for real. So next we have the coconut oil and Babu vital oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp. So it's kind of like almost 2 oils. I don't know. I'm not a big oil fan. So my little sister literally just asked me for oil. This is probably going to be hers. Only because I only use oil to take down twists. But I don't know. I might start putting them in my deep conditioners. And then next we have the coconut oil and Babu anti-breakage conditioning cream for weak and damaged hair. So this could probably be used for, so basically this is a repair. Well, it says hair repair. Probably could use this for a twist. I wonder what leave-in I would pair it with. Seem like this come with, y'all. Whoa. I don't like the smell. It smells like some medicine. But I wonder how it'll work. It's creamy. It's creamy like banana pudding, but smells like medicine. Ugh. But it's gonna look cute on my shelf. Y'all, it's getting out of hand. Get ready for a what's in my stash video. I'm gonna do the shampoos, conditioners, deep conditioners, leave-ins, gels, custards, all of that. So stay tuned for that. But the box is empty. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size products. Like I said, I will leave in the description box the link to how you can possibly get in contact with the CurlBox. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if y'all want me to do like quick hairstyles with curly hair, because I'm feeling my little Minnie Mouse look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.